Hey guys, Naturallynellzy here today and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new to the channel or passing by, my name is Chanel and I am a creative entrepreneur. On this channel, I basically give you guys tips and tricks on how to be a successful entrepreneur as well as how to grow your business and your social media following. So today's video is actually going to be to piggyback off of the video that I had made where I told you guys that I was able to make a six-figure business, which is called Serene Body Sense. So today's video is going to be about how you can make money on social media or how you can make money online. And this is for anybody who is wondering how exactly can I get my product out there, what exactly can I do to try to monetize my Instagram, my YouTube, and everything else, and how can I get more traffic to my business. If you guys are interested in any of those topics, please keep on watching because we're about to get right into it. So as I said earlier, I felt this video was necessary because there seems to be a misconception as far as what you can do on social media and how far the social media reach can stretch. So way number one that you're able to make money is obviously on the platform that we're watching now, and that would be with YouTube AdSense revenue. Now I'm a part of the YouTube partner program, and I know that there have been some changes. If you guys want to see like as far as the guidelines and more information on what I think about the changes, be sure to check this video up here. But as far as what this is basically a YouTube partnership where you're basically a partner with YouTube. So that means that when you are running your content on their social media platform, which is a YouTube channel, you are able to monetize your platform by running ads. And the usual way that you see ads is like anytime when you're playing a video, probably before you play this one, it was probably a ad where you can click it in a certain amount of seconds so you can skip it, or it's a non-skippable ad. It's usually like about 15 to maybe 30 seconds. As far as how you actually make money on YouTube, it doesn't have to do with views or subscribers or likes or anything like that. It's pretty much how many people sit through those ads or how many people actually click on those ads for more information. Now in order for you guys to apply for the program, you have to have a series of two different things. The first thing would be having 1,000 subscribers, and the second thing would be 4,000 hours of watch time. Once again, not everybody's able to get this as soon as they're starting out. Some people are lucky, other people are normal like us, so we just got to work our way through it. So once again, I'm not telling you guys please go quit your job and rely on AdSense revenue. I actually do not think that's a good idea. I believe you should have multiple streams of income, which is why I'm making this video. But if you guys want more information, be sure to check the video up on this side, or on this side, you're going to see it up there. Now the second way that you can make money online with social media is if you have a brand, if you have a service, or any type of thing that you're trying to market it out to people. So this would be categorized as brand marketing. Now when I say brand, I'm talking about something that you created. It's something that you own. So for instance, with me, I have a business which is known as Serene Body Sense, where I sell different hair, skincare, and all natural organic products to different people. And the reason why I find social media to be crucial to any type of entrepreneur is because you're able to get your stuff out there for free. It's basically free marketing that you do not have to put extra money into, and you're able to get more clientele. So one thing that you have to realize with people is that you really have to be gentle with them. You can't just, run up on them and say, hey, I have a product, you need to buy it. This is my stuff, this is my stuff, sell, sell, sell. You're not going to get many sales like that because people are going to think that you're being spammy or you're being too pushy, and you're actually going to end up hurting your business by getting people to kind of run away from all of that, because I know I don't like that. And anytime when I see these people in the stores, I'm going the other way. Now the way that I was able to successfully do this is by actually following some type of sales funnel. Now this whole sales funnel is pretty much categorized in 3 different sections, and that's in the know, like, and the trust sections. And I'm going to break down exactly how I was able to do this before I even know that it was called a sales funnel. Now the first category that we have here is known as know, and this is when you are going to get people to understand what you're about, what kind of services do you actually offer, and in a sense people are kind of going to wonder, why exactly should I care what it is that you're doing? Now in the first stage of this funnel, it's important for people to know who you are because you want them to understand exactly what it is that you do. When you guys come on my channel, I always have that branding where I tell you guys, hey, my name is Chanel, I'm a creative entrepreneur, and I'm here to tell you guys how you're able to successfully grow your business as well as grow your following. When you guys continuously hear that, you're like, hey, all right, we know her name is Chanel. 2, we know she's a creative entrepreneur. And 3, I care about her content because she's going to show me how to be successful. And the fact that you're putting out free content is going to show people like, so she's not really trying to sell me anything because I'm getting all this good content. I'm listening to her and the things that I'm using seems to be working. Let me see what else she has. Let me actually follow her. Let me subscribe to her newsletter. Let me sign up for her blog. Once you're actually able to grab that person's attention and they want to actually follow you on your journey to see what else you have to offer, this is what's going to lead us into segment 2, which is known as the like factor. Now the like factor in the funnel is important because this is when you're starting to build a little bit of a community here. This is so important because at this point you have this person's attention and they willingly want to follow you so that they can consume more of your content. Having that community is key to being successful, because if you think about it, when you do come out with a product or service, or if you have one and you're ready to release it, now you have a tight-knit community that already knows you, they like your content, and now they're going to trust you to buy it. Now let's move on into segment 3 of the whole sales funnel, and this is known as trust. Now trust is the last part of the whole sales funnel, and this is like the second to last factor to getting that conversion from a supporter into now a consumer or a customer. Now once you're inside the trust segment of the sales funnel, this is where, okay, people are starting to see you as more so an expert in the field of what you do. They trust the content that you're putting out. They have a problem, and maybe because of that free content that you were putting out before, they see like, okay, she has helped me before. I trust her. I know her. I like her content. I'm gonna keep coming back to her. Oh, she has an ebook. Oh, she has a business. Oh, she does conferences. She does speaking engagements. She has these little group get-togethers. Maybe she has a Facebook page. When you have supporters that know, like, and trust you, you're going to be very successful when you're putting your brand marketing out there. And just doing little things like that where you're giving people a sample or something free of your content, that's what's going to get people to see like, okay, I have something tangible here. It's solving a problem for me. I'm going to actually trust this person enough with my hard-earned money because I know, like, and I trust them. So you went through all 3 sales funnel for brand marketing, and now you're at conversion. Conversion is the best because this is where it's like, yes, you were able to successfully convert your followers or your supporters into customers. So that's why I wanted to take the most time to talk about brand marketing, because if you do have a side hustle, which I am encouraging all of you to get, if you're able to follow this whole thing, don't put out bullshit content, by the way, make it high quality, I guarantee that you'll be able to convert your followers or your supporters into consumers. The third tip that I want to talk about is affiliate marketing, and I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys probably know about this one. It's basically you just being a salesperson or some type of seller for a brand or a company. Depending on how many sales you make, how many times people use your coupon codes, you're going to get some type of earnings back on every single sale. Now the way that you're actually able to get into affiliate marketing, usually there will be some type of program, like if you're a YouTuber or anything you want to promote for a brand, they usually have that type of information at the bottom of the page, or you can send the brand an email and you can ask them if they have an affiliate link for that program. And the best thing I love about affiliate marketing, is a true story I'm gonna tell you guys, there was a time where I was like, damn, I kind of wish I could drop some more money on my student loans. Like, damn, I really want to. All of a sudden, ding, 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 I get an email, $736 came in from Referral Candy because I was doing affiliate marketing and I kind of forgot about it, and I was like, oh shit, this is extra money. Let me throw that on my student loans. Now, the fourth way that you're able to make money online is through brand deals and collaborations. And this one is going to be for somebody who has more so of a following or more so of a community. What I would tell you guys is that if you are interested in having companies contact you, especially if you have already developed a audience, put your email on the first page of your social media links, okay? Like seriously guys, I always get a lot of questions about how can I get companies to reach out to me. I look at the pages and I'm just like, girl, where is your email? You gotta put your email out there. And the second way is by doing pitches. I can do a more in-depth video on how you're able to do pitches to brands. Let me know by leaving a comment below saying, I would like more information on how to pitch myself to brands. Now, my last way on how you're able to make money on social media would be number 5, and that is doing freelance work. Obviously, social media is going to play a big factor when you're a freelancer, because at this point you are an entrepreneur. Once again, you're working for yourself and you're going to take your talents somewhere else where you could help somebody with the service that they need. So you could be a photographer, you can be a musician, you could be a makeup artist, you could be a hairstylist. You can end up using social media to your advantage so that you can get that content out to people. So for instance, like I said, if you're a musician and you're looking to play at maybe a wedding, or if you're a photographer and you're trying to shoot like, newborn baby photos or maternity shoots, Instagram would actually be an amazing way that you can use social media to build, like your following and everything, because you can literally use your Instagram page to be your portfolio. So that's one way that you can use Instagram as a social media platform to get you more business as a freelancer. It's totally different from back in the days where you had to get somebody to build a website, which was like $1,000, or you had to hand out business cards. Like, we live in an amazing time where we have technology, we have social media, we have all these different things. So it is so easy for you guys to build revenue and make money online using social media. Like, I just wish more people knew about this. It's like, guys, there's so much money to be made out here. It drives me crazy. It drives me honestly crazy. And this is going back to number 5 before my little rant for my freelancers. If you guys are interested to see all the different websites where you're able to put your work and everything else on there, I did do some research and found a blog post that actually reviews different sites like Fiverr and the rest of them, that tells you what they're about, as well as how you can actually put your freelance stuff on there. So if you guys are interested, be sure to check the description box because I always leave really good tidbits in there. So guys, that was a video on how you're able to make money on social media. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do want more information, be sure to check out my other videos. Of course, due to the nature of this video, you know I'm going to tell you guys to follow me. So if you guys are interested in seeing more tips and tricks on entrepreneurship and all of the content that I post on my other social media pages, be sure to follow me. It's usually Naturallynellzy in all my different Instagrams, Facebook, Pinterest, Snapchat, all those different things. You guys can follow me there if you are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.